Hey everyone, I have a little unboxing for you today. I'm super excited. I just got in my delivery from Mina Baie and I got the Harper leather bag in the clay. So I've never had one of these before. I have seen so many wonderful reviews on them, so I really wanted to give it a try. Plus it's another leather bag apart from Lily Jade, so I'm really kind of curious on how that looks. So they had really good shipping. I think it only took like 5 days to get to Australia, so that's really exciting. Okay, so, oh, that's nice. So they actually have it in the box like this, which is really, I love it when they wrap things in tissue paper. It's just one of those things. I wish I could do that for my store, but sometimes I just don't have the time. Okay, all right, so it comes in a beautiful, really soft dust bag, and I like how it came in a large box as well. It wasn't squished down or anything. Okay, so let's see. Ooh, super excited. So if they didn't have the clay was the only one that had in stock, so it's kind of like a grey, you'll see in a second, but they didn't have, the black would have been, oh, okay. So here it is here. Isn't that pretty? Okay, so first impression of the leather, it does feel different to Lily Jade, but it's more of a pebbled leather. It's really nice. It smells really nice. So there's the back. So they do have a foam thing. That's really kind of cool. So it keeps the backpack straps from going against the bag. So one of the backpack straps was open with the thing, but I can just kind of open this one. Okay, oh, okay, so this is the newer version where it's attached to the side, which I did check before I had this shipped. I will, of course, use this for a bit and give you guys a review on it. So that's what it looks like when it comes. So yeah, it's got really nice hardware, and it's wrapped in plastic. The hardware's wrapped in plastic. It does say Mina Baie on it. I'll, of course, go over all these features when I do my review. You've got the tag here as well. And let's see what it's like in the inside real quick. Love these big long tassels on bags. Oh, so in the inside the packaging, you do have a lot of packaging in here, like cardboard to keep its shape. I think that's really awesome. Okay, and it just comes out really easy. And that's the opening. It's really nice. Okay, so this is, of course, as I said, the newer version, so it's got the side pockets on the inside as well. And here is the neoprene. That is neoprene. It's like a, I think Poppins approved. She mentioned it felt like wetsuit material. So, which is true. Oh, look at all the pockets inside this bag. I love it. Ah, oh, I'm gonna love packing this up. So it's a little bit floppy too. So it does have structure, but being leather, oh, so nice. And then the bottom, there's the feet. I really do like this color too. It is kind of like a clay. It's not a silvery gray like I was expecting. I was kind of expecting, but I'm guessing this is in different colors. It's going to, in different lights, it's going to look different colors. So, and this is, of course, only has the one magnetic pocket instead of the two, which is kind of cool, even though it's got the seam down the middle still. Oh, and I love this handle too, because it kind of flops back. Oh, I'm so excited. This actually clips here as well, clips down. Ah, okay. I'm gonna have to play with this one. You know me, guys, I love new bags, trying new brands. Oh, so pretty. I do like this. All right, guys, I'm gonna go play with this now, and yeah, so I'll come back to you guys once I've had a chance to use it and give my opinion and my review on it. And of course, show you how to pack it up. It does look kind of big for my needs, but maybe, I don't know, I like big bags and you can shove things on top, right? Okay guys, I'm so excited. Thanks a lot. I'll see you later. Bye.